Have you ever wondered how those sun-kissed yellow lemons from lush orchards or the sweet figs from distant Turkey can travel thousands of miles to reach our dinner tables? The miraculous journey of these fruits is not just a tale of fertile soil or favorable climates, but an enchanting saga of the harmonious blend of traditional farming knowledge and breathtaking technological leaps in modern agriculture. Each year, over 1.2 million tons of figs, a sweet and nutritious gift from nature, are harvested worldwide, testifying to their essential role over millennia. To truly appreciate the art of fig cultivation, we will journey to Turkey, where ancient farming methods and modern techniques intertwine to produce bountiful harvests. And on that same journey, we will explore the vast lemon groves of California and Florida, where this multi-billion-dollar industry is not only a symbol of prosperity, but also a powerful testament to unyielding perseverance and continuous innovation. What truly makes the difference isn't just the application of cutting-edge technology, but a quiet, little-known secret: the flexible ability to adjust when automation takes over, and when the delicate human touch is needed at crucial stages. This skillful blend is the key to optimizing both quality and yield, an invaluable lesson for anyone looking to master high-tech agriculture. The story of the fig, one of the oldest fruit trees domesticated by humans, began thousands of years ago, leaving its mark across Western Asia and North Africa, particularly in modern-day Turkey and Egypt. Archaeologists even believe that, even before cereals, figs were among the first crops cultivated by human hands, affirming their paramount role at the dawn of civilizations. In Turkey, the fig is not just a food, but a living symbol of prosperity, peace, and deep cultural connections, a characteristic image that defines the soul of Mediterranean agriculture. In the imagination of ancient Greeks, figs were revered as sacred gifts from the gods, especially Athena, the goddess of wisdom, who was believed to have blessed the fig tree. They offered figs in solemn ceremonies, devoutly considering them symbols of abundance and bounty. Similarly, ancient Rome also considered figs a favorite treat, enjoyed fresh, dried, or used in folk remedies for their excellent health benefits. Along ancient trade routes, the Romans carried figs, sowing their seeds in many new lands, including the Iberian Peninsula and regions that are now part of Turkey. During the Middle Ages, monks in monasteries across Turkey and the Mediterranean became pioneers, contributing significantly to the development of fig cultivation techniques and advanced farming methods. Thanks to Turkey's warm climate and fertile soil, fig trees thrived, becoming an indispensable part of the local agriculture. Today, Turkey remains steadfastly at the forefront of the world's leading fig-producing nations, alongside the United States, Egypt, Iran, and Italy. Thanks to the perfect harmony between its long-standing traditional heritage and modern technological innovations. Fig cultivation, a profession demanding precision and finesse in every detail, starts from soil selection to meticulous care to ensure a bountiful harvest. In Turkey, with its ideal Mediterranean climate, hot summers and mild winters, fig cultivation is carried out with special care. The entire process begins with choosing the preferred plot of land, a key factor determining the healthy and sustainable development of the fig tree. The soil needs to have good drainage, avoiding waterlogging as fig tree roots are extremely sensitive to excess moisture. Turkish farmers often prioritize sandy or loamy soil, rich in nutrients, with a balanced pH ranging from 6.0 to 7.5. After the soil is selected, they meticulously prepare beds or areas for planting cuttings or seedlings, a cultivation technique refined over generations. Cuttings, usually about 20 to 30 centimeters long, are carefully pruned from healthy parent trees, carrying superior genetic traits to ensure the best quality saplings. Sometimes, grafting techniques are applied to enhance disease resistance and increase yield, especially for renowned Turkish fig varieties like Bursa Black or Sarilop, high-value commercial fig varieties. Seedlings are planted in spring when temperatures are mild and stable, creating the most favorable conditions for their initial growth. Fig trees are usually spaced about 4 to 5 meters apart. This distance not only promotes air circulation and ensures the trees receive adequate sunlight, but also simplifies care while optimizing planting density per hectare. Fig tree care requires a delicate balance, especially in water and nutrient management. Irrigation is vital, but must be done judiciously to prevent root rot, a serious problem for this type of tree. In Turkey, modern drip irrigation systems are widely used, delivering precise amounts of water to each tree, not only conserving resources, but also enhancing farming efficiency. A clear testament to the application of high technology in irrigation. Pruning is also an indispensable step, helping to shape the canopy, improve air circulation among branches, and minimize the risk of pests and diseases. Old or unproductive branches are removed, directing the tree's energy towards fruit production. In addition, farmers apply organic fertilizers rich in phosphorus and potassium, usually in early spring and summer, to enhance fruit quality, ensuring sweet, juicy, and ideally sized figs while maintaining soil fertility. Fig trees begin to bear fruit after about 3 to 4 years of growth, a stable development cycle. Some varieties can even yield 2 harvests per year, with the first fruits appearing from May until the first frost. However, what truly makes figs unique compared to other fruits is their incredibly peculiar pollination process. Figs are not ordinary fruits. They are actually an inverted flower structure, developing hidden inside a closed vase called a syconium. The pollination process of figs is one of the most unique natural phenomena you will ever witness. In the wild, tiny fig wasps, scientifically known as blastophagacines, play a crucial role. They crawl inside the fig to lay their eggs, simultaneously carrying pollen to the female flowers hidden deep within. This process is not only an exchange of life, but also a condition for the fig to develop. Afterward, a special enzyme found in figs, called phycin, automatically breaks down any remaining wasp carcasses, ensuring the fig is clean and completely safe to eat. A truly astonishing biological mechanism. Nevertheless, in Turkey, many commercial fig varieties like Sarilop have been bred to no longer depend on fig wasps, instead utilizing insect-independent pollination techniques known as parthenocarpy. This not only ensures more uniform and higher quality fruits, especially for the export market, but also represents a significant advancement in agricultural technology. Once pollinated, figs gradually grow, accumulating natural sugars, creating the characteristic sweet flavor for which Turkey is renowned worldwide. Harvesting figs is truly an art, demanding dexterity and experience passed down through generations. Figs are only picked when fully ripe, because once they leave the branch, they cannot ripen further, a crucial biological characteristic that farmers always remember. Signs of ripeness are clear. The color changes to purple, green, or yellow, depending on the variety. The fruit is soft to the touch, and a translucent white drop of sap appears at the stem. In Turkey, harvesting usually takes place during the summer months, from July to September. Farmers often start work early in the morning, before the sun becomes too intense, meticulously picking each fruit by hand to avoid high temperatures, preserve freshness longer, and ensure product quality. Figs are extremely fragile fruits, able to retain freshness for only 2 to 3 days at room temperature. Therefore, they need to be transported quickly to processing facilities or markets. In Turkey, the world's leading fig producer, farmers use modern refrigerated trucks to preserve the excellent quality of the product as it prepares for its journey to demanding international markets like the EU and the USA, a meticulously planned logistics strategy. At processing facilities, figs are meticulously sorted by size, color, and ripeness. Fresh figs are then washed, resorted, and carefully packaged in breathable containers, then quickly distributed to retain their full flavor. A significant portion of figs is subjected to drying to extend their shelf life. In Italy, figs are sun-dried on wooden racks, yielding a nutritious, intensely sweet, and distinctly aromatic product. In Japan, modern drying ovens with precise temperature and humidity control are used, helping to retain up to 90% of vitamins and minerals, an advanced food processing technology application. Dried figs are incredibly versatile. They are used in pastries, jams, or coated in chocolate to create premium desserts, expanding their commercial value. Besides fresh consumption, figs in Turkey are also processed into jams or canned products, creating characteristic items that showcase the country's rich culinary heritage. To make fig jam, figs are mashed into a uniform mixture, thoroughly mixed with sugar, lemon juice, and sometimes warm spices like cinnamon or vanilla to enhance the flavor. This mixture is simmered, stirred constantly to achieve the perfect consistency, preserving the natural sweetness of the figs, a preserved traditional processing technique. Hot jam is then poured into sterilized glass jars, then vacuum sealed to extend shelf life. For canned figs, whole or sliced figs are soaked in light syrup, carefully packaged to maintain their shape and flavor. The jars are then re-sterilized, rigorously checked for seal integrity and quality to ensure food safety. After processing, both fresh figs and fig products are meticulously packaged in wooden crates or specialized protective boxes for transportation. These shipments are distributed widely to domestic and international markets, from bustling traditional markets in Istanbul to large supermarkets in Europe and North America. Turkey proudly stands as a leading exporter of dried figs and fig jam, bringing distinctive Mediterranean flavors to global consumers, affirming its solid position in the agricultural supply chain. Figs are not only a delicious food, but also a treasure trove of nutrients. They are extremely rich in fiber, which supports healthy digestion, improves gut health, and effectively regulates bowel movements. Figs also contain powerful antioxidants, especially polyphenols, which help protect cells from free radical damage. Essential minerals such as potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron, and copper in figs play important roles in supporting cardiovascular health, bone health, and boosting the immune system. Vitamin K and B vitamins like B6 also contribute to metabolism and overall health, enhancing their nutritional value. So, would you prefer to enjoy some fresh, juicy figs or some sweeter, richer, dried figs? Please share with us in the comments section. California, a name synonymous with the world's lemon capital, proudly produces approximately 940,000 tons of premium lemons each year, serving both domestic and international markets. Alongside, Florida, with its ideal tropical climate, contributes an additional 400,000 tons of fresh lemons annually, particularly renowned for their mild acidity and unforgettable characteristic aroma. Behind these vast, sprawling lemon groves lies the result of a wonderful blend between long-standing cultivation experience accumulated over generations of farmers and modern agricultural technology applications. Lemons are not just a fruit, they are a part of cultural heritage, bringing the pure taste of American nature to spread worldwide, testifying to the diversity and richness of U.S. agriculture. In the United States, the citrus limon variety is the top choice, most widely cultivated. Although lemons can sprout from seeds or grow from cuttings to achieve optimal and stable yields, most farmers rely on carefully nurtured seedlings in greenhouses. This method not only helps trees grow faster, but also ensures uniform quality, a proven effective cultivation technique. For lemon trees to be truly healthy, the planting soil needs to be thoroughly prepared, rich in organic matter, or supplemented with phosphorus-containing fertilizers to provide essential nutrients. Ideal soil conditions include good drainage, high fertility, and a balanced pH ranging from 5.5 to 6.5. These factors create a perfect environment, allowing lemon trees to thrive, yielding abundant harvests with superior fruit quality, a vivid testament to the essence of soil science. Once the young lemon trees are strong enough, usually after 6 months to a year from planting, they are moved outdoors, integrating into the vast natural environment. This transition to a new environment not only promotes sustainable development, but also enhances their resilience to unpredictable climate changes, a smart, adaptive strategy. Regular watering is crucial to maintain the necessary soil moisture, but great care must be taken to avoid overwatering, which can damage roots. Drip irrigation systems are the optimal choice, delivering water directly to the root zone, not only conserving precious water resources, but also ensuring healthy trees. This method also helps limit soil-borne diseases and reduces water waste, a prime example of precise, efficient irrigation. Lemon trees typically take another 1 to 2 years to reach full maturity before entering the pruning stage. This work plays an essential role in encouraging the tree to flower and bear fruit. In large farms, modern machinery is often used to perform this task, ensuring uniform tree development and high yields, a clear sign of mechanized agriculture. Throughout the lemon cultivation process, trees often face pests such as aphids, spider mites, and leaf spot fungi. To control them effectively, U.S. farmers often prioritize environmentally friendly biological methods such as neem oil or ladybugs, natural predators that help control pests safely and sustainably, an important part of integrated pest management.